Hello everyone and welcome to our Workplace Experience 3 project. Today our team is very proud to share our project, the Smart Library Management System. This is a web app we built from scratch to bring library tasks online and make them automatic. So, what did we build? We made a system with two main views depending on who is logging in. Students can search for books, read about them, ask to borrow them. Librarians have special access to manage the books, check students' requests, approve or deny loans, and mark when books are returned. Here is the technology we use to build the app. Front end. For the part of the app that users see, we use React 19 and Vite 8. Back end. For the server running behind the scene, we use Node.js and Express 4. Database. To secure our data, we chose a database called MongoDB. Security. To keep everything secure, we use tools like JWT for safe logins and Bcrypt.js to scramble and hide passwords. Our system is organized very clearly using a button called MVC. The main file server.js starts the server and connects to the database. From there, the system splits into three main paths to handle logins, books, and borrowing. The routes take in the requests from the user, and the controller do the actual background work and logic. Our database relies on three main pieces of information. The user sections holds names, emails, and passwords safely. The book section keeps track of titles, authors, and exactly how many copies are left. The borrow record links a user to a book. It tracks if a loan is waiting for approval, currently borrowed, or returned, along with due dates. Authentication and authorization. We made sure the system is very secure. When you log in, the server gives you browser a special digital key called a token. Every time the app talks to the server, it automatically sends this key to prove who you are. The server checks the key, figures out if you are a student or a librarian, makes sure students cannot open the librarian's administrative pages. For students, the app is very easy to use. They can search the whole library by title, author, or category. They can click on a book to see more details and ask to borrow them. The system is smart enough to stop them from requesting the exact same book twice. Students also have a My Loans page to see all their past and current borrowed books and exactly when they are due. For librarians, they get a powerful dashboard to control the library. They can add new books, edit details, or remove books. They also have a panel to review students' requests. If they approve a loan, the app automatically subtracts one from the total available copies. When the book comes back, it adds the copy back and saves the exact return time. All of this happens safely through our system's commands. The front part of our app is organized into clear sections. We use tools to remember if a user is logged in and to log them out automatically if they are inactive. We also use protected routes. This means the app double checks your login before showing you any secure pages, keeping the information safe. Our code is set up to handle the security keys automatically, so the user never has to worry about it. In conclusion, and to wrap it up, our project highlights some strong technical skills. We built a secure login system that runs fast, protected passwords at the database system, and made sure counting books is efficient and accurate. Thank you for listening, and I would like to thank Moavia Mahmood, Abdelkarem Ahmed Saad, Abdurrahman Bereket, Hadil Abughali, Yousuf Ahmed Ismail Ali, Mariem Hamatto, Nooreldein A I Elkaweifi, Khabbab Abbas Ahmed Ali, Ahmed Mohamed, Mounis, Tarek, Asriti. Again, thank you for listening. My name was Nooreldein, and goodbye.
Hello, I'm presenting the project of a smart library system for the workplace experience too. We created a smart library system. Here you can borrow a book and you can reserve it. There are two accounts. Like one is uh, student account and other is librarian account. I will show you both accounts and what are their purposes. So right now I will log in using the librarian account. These are demo accounts. You can also create your own, register your own accounts there in the top right corner. Here, as you can see, the librarian can have a sidebar. Here, the dashboard is divided into KPIs, where you can see the total books and total students, active borrowers, pending reserves. Um, Here, the librarian can issue books using the register of students and enter the book name and everything. Uh, Here, the librarian can add a new book or can see if the book is active or is even if it's borrowed by some student and a list of active students. And here we only have three students right now. Reservations, like reservations of books, are here. Like this pending because the students just created a request for this. And here are the books that students borrow, and as you can see, it's overdue. And if the book is overdue, they should be put on a fine. And here you can see the students they have to pay a fine for this the books that is overdue. And there are some rooms that are available, and students can apply for this to be reserved. And here, the room that the student said that they want to uh, reserve the rooms for study, and the librarian can do this, approve it or deny it. Is a dashboard of the books, how many books are about the fines, the total fines, the overview, the pending reserves. Okay, and now I will show you the students. The student, let me log in from here. And this website is deployed on Vercel, so you can access it with this URL. So here is the student portal. You have librarian, the dashboard of what student borrowed, and the overview, like, and they can see their fine. Mm, they can pay their fine to the university. Like, we didn't made anything that from the website that they can pay their fine directly from here. And here are the borrows what they borrow, and here you can see they are 25 days overdue. And if it's overdue, you have to pay a fine. And these are the books the student returned. And reserved rooms, you can these are the reserved books, and you can cancel or pick at a desk. Study room, these are the rooms available. If I want, I can just the student can just book the room and the librarian will approve it. Room booking, here I will browse the room and then I will browse it. The wish list, these are the books I want to read in the future, but they are unavailable, and when they will be available, the library will approve it. And here are my by total fines by the books. how many days are I'm overdue, the student is overdue, and how much the total the student have to pay. And this is the profile. The student can update their picture or delete their account and all the details of the students. So this was the overview of our project. Thank you for watching.